Welcome to my channel, Rena's Kitchenary. Subscribe. Good food, good mode, cooking with love. Stay tuned in. Chicken curry recipe. 500 grams, chicken fillet, salt, turmeric powder and yogurt. Marinate for 2 hours. In a pan, put oil 1 tablespoon, add cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, slice onion, sauté for 1 minute. Bay leaves and ginger, then give it a good mix. Put in food processor and grind it. Add little water and blend to smooth paste. Add 2 tablespoon oil, onion spice paste, 1 cup tomato paste, sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and cook for 5 minutes. Marinated chicken and give it a mix. After boiling open, add kasur methi 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, and cook for 3 minutes. Chicken curry is ready. Happy eating! Don't forget to subscribe my channel Rena's Kitchenary, like, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.